Hey guys, check out this 2021 Palomino Puma trailer. It's got a new battery. It is a rebuilt title. Damage was right here. You can kind of see where they did a cut and cleaned it out. This is a slide out that comes out. It's pretty good tires on there. Power cord in here. Outdoor shower, all your water connections. So it has your jacks underneath for self-leveling, awning, so full-size bed, sink, natural gas stove, microwave, toilet, shower, sink. I believe this is a gas and electric. Actually, I think it's only gas, but fridge here. Obviously, this will slide out. This turns into a bed, so you have room to fit two more here. All your plugs and storage closets. Here. This is where you would set up a TV, plug it in, HDMI, radio here. All your different connections here. There's your temperature control. It does have a Mac AC unit. This is where you do all your slide, check all your water. Pretty nice backsplash. Vent. Pretty nice trailer for a little over 10,000. Brand new battery. It's where your natural gas tanks are. Power here. Again, closer look at where it was damaged. "21 foot. Oh, here's your VIN number, all your specs on it.